In case if the mobile data in your Android device is not working, then the first thing what you need to check is you need to check the strength of the cellular signal in your Android device. It should be strong. If you are out of coverage, then you need to go to the area where you have coverage. And the next thing what you need to check is you need to check how much of the data is left in your Android device. If you have subscribed to the unlimited data, then it's okay, but if you have subscribed to fixed data plan, then you need to check how much data is left in your Android device. And the last thing what you need to do is you need to go to the settings, you need to go to connections, go to mobile networks, then go to network mode, and then you can switch between this network mode to check if the mobile data will work in your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.